Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. In today's card making tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can make beautiful, easy, and quick greeting cards using your scraps from Graphic 45. So in the spirit of using up my scraps, I went through my Graphic 45 collections to see just kind of inventory things out, to see what I have left of what paper collections and so forth. And I did come across plenty of scraps. So for example, this piece of scrap right here is from a lady's diary, as you can see. And I also found my 12 by 12 portrait of a lady, patterns and solids, and I'm going to show you what I have left in this, and it's just going to be a couple of scraps here and there. Plus I have that one neutral color, cream color sheet that Graphic 45 adds to their paper pads. And I also came across my place in time stickers, and let me show you. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a card. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this piece of cardstock right here, and we're going to use this, and we're going to combine it with this right here from a lady's diary, and we are going to add a sticker from a place in time. So we are going to make this super quick, and it's going to look so pretty, and most importantly, it's going to be easy and fast. So let's go ahead and get started.